Welcome to my channel Easy Learning. In today's session, we will continue exercise 11.3 question number 5. So question number 5, it says Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of a cuboidal hall. So you see this is a cuboidal shape hall here, and where he is painting the ceiling. That ceiling means the roof and the side walls. It means the CSA plus the roof you have to calculate. He is not painting the floor of this hall. And the length, breadth and height of the room are given as, length is given as 15 meter, breadth is given as 10 meters, and height of this hall is given as 7 meter. Okay, so these are the three dimensions respectively given. From each can of paint, 100 meters square of area is painted. So when the Daniel is using one can of the paint, he is able to paint how much area? He is able to make 100 meters square area. So the question is to paint the total area. If he has to paint this total area of the hall, how many cans will be required? How many cans will be required to paint this complete area? So what he is not painting? He is not only painting the floor, which I am shading it now with yellow. So now you see, if it is a cuboidal room, it means what all we have to calculate? We have to calculate CSA, it means all four sides plus the area of the roof, the ceiling. So how do we write it? We can write it as area of the hall to be painted will be how much? CSA plus area of ceiling, right? CSA why we are taking? Because we can rather write LSA, right? Because we are talking about the cuboid. So we talk about CSA we normally take in case of cylinders. So now LSA will be how much? 2H L plus B, and we know the area of the ceiling will be L into breadth. We know all the dimensions, length is given, breadth is given and height is given. So let's place the values. 2. H is how much? H is 7. L plus B means 15 plus 10 plus L into B means 15 into 10. Now no conversions required because everything is given in meters. So let's solve it. It becomes 2 sevens are 14 into 15 plus 10 25 plus 15 into 10 will be 150. Right? Now multiply it. 14 5s are 70, 14 2s are 28. 28 plus 7. How much? 29, 30, 35 plus 150, and this comes out to be 500 meters square. So this much is the area of hall, right? This is the area of the hall which he has to paint. But the question is how many cans will be required. So if I divide the total area by the number of how many he is painting in one can, 100, you will get the number of cans. So how I am going to calculate? Number of cans will be total area which he has to paint divided by 100, because he is able to paint 100 meters square in one can. How much it is? 500 upon 100, 5. It means 5 cans are required. 5 cans of paint will be required to paint 500 meters square area of the room, which is inclusive of the ceiling and 4 walls. So this was question number 5. Let's see question number 6. Question number 6 says, describe how these two figures are at the right are alike and how they are different. So you have to show how come these two figures are same and how they are different, and then you have to calculate which box has larger lateral surface area. So first figure if you see is a cylinder and second figure is a cube. In this way we can say the figures are different. And if you see the height here is 7 centimeter and here also the height of the cube is 7 centimeter. So we can say this way they are alike, right? So alike in the sense they have same height. How much? 7 centimeter. And how they are different? They are different because the first figure is a cylinder and the second given figure is a cube. Though both are three-dimensional figure but are of the different shapes. First is cylinder and second is cube. Now further the question is which shape has larger lateral surface area. It means we have to calculate the LSA of both the shapes separately. So first let's calculate the CSA in case of cylinder. What it is? It is 2 pi RH. Now the diameter is given how much? 7 centimeter, which implies radius will be half of it, means 3.5 centimeter. H is already given, right? So if I place the values, CSA will be 2 into 22 by 7, and if I write it as 3.5 and H is how much? 7. Let's remove this decimal and I get a 10 in the denominator. Let's see which terms are cancelled. I can cancel this 7 with 7, right? Now 2 ones are 1, 2 fives are 10. This also cancelled. 5 sevens are 35. Now you are left with 22 into 7. How much it is going to be? 154 centimeter square. So this is your CSA of cylinder. We know it is 2 pi RH and the diameter was given. From here we can calculate radius will be half of it, which will be 3.5 centimeter. Height was already given. Now on the other side, if we see LSA of a cube, the LSA of cube is how much? 4 side square. And how much is side given here as 7 centimeter. So 4 into 7 square means 4 into 49, which becomes 4 nines are 36, 4 fours are 16 plus 3 196 centimeter square. So now if you see in first case your LSA was 154 centimeter square and in cube it is coming out 196 centimeter square. So how I can write my result? Hence, the cube has larger lateral surface area. So in this question, first part was ki how these two shapes are same and how they are different. So we have told they are same as they are of same height. They are different being on even the three-dimensional figure. First figure is a cylinder and second is a cube. Then the third part was how which figure is having larger lateral surface area. So we know that CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH and for cube it is 4 side square. So we have directly placed the values and we can clearly see the cube has larger lateral surface area. Now question number 7 of this exercise. Let's see next question. Question number 7 is a closed cylindrical tank of radius. A closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and it says height 3 meter is made from a sheet of metal. How much sheet of metal is required? So basically these are the dimensions of a cylinder which you need to construct. Means if you have to construct a cylinder, I am just making a rough figure. So the radius of the cylinder should be how much? 7 meter and the height of the cylinder should be 3 meter. So they are asking you, the question says how much sheet of metal is required to construct this cylinder. It means if I will calculate the TSA of the cylinder, I will get to know how much sheet will be required, because ultimately from the sheet we are going to construct the cylinder. So I can write that the sheet of metal which is required will be equal to what? TSA of cylinder, right? So let's calculate the TSA of cylinder. What is TSA of cylinder? 2 pi R plus H. Now I know R, H is already given, so it's very simple. Let's place the values. Pi is 22 by 7. R is also 7 and 7 plus 3. Even the calculations are easy, right? You can cancel this 7 with 7. This becomes how much? 22 into 2, 44 into 7 plus 3 is 10. How much? 440, and the unit, because it was all given in meters, so it will be meter square. So it means the TSA of the cylinder is 440 meter square. If TSA is this much, it means how much sheet of metal is required? Hence 440 meter square metal sheet is required to construct a cylinder of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter. So this is how you can do question number 7 of this exercise. I will be doing question 8, 9, 10 in my next video. Till then, keep practicing math. Bye bye everybody.